Good afternoon. It's gray out there. We've got those clouds overhead still, the raindrops still on the sky cam. Rain continues to fall in the FM metro. It's light, but not fun to be out driving in that with those windshield wipers going. And hopefully you've grabbed your umbrella for your lunch break as well. So conditions are a little bit on the rainy side now, but things will be quieting down as we continue into the rest of the afternoon. You can see a lot of cloud cover out there, and the rain stretching from it was around Lake of the Woods, starting to quiet things down there right now, but the Red Lake area, Bemidji, back through Fargo, Moorhead, and into parts of southeastern North Dakota is where we've got that main line of showers. But you can see some pockets of brown showing through here, indicating the ground where we can see that sunshine here. So that's more in Devil's Lake and Langdon and back over into the Jamestown area. Grand Forks kind of on the edge of it, and we'll see more and more of that sunshine here over the next hour or so, I'd say. Fargo's going to take a little bit longer, and even longer for the eastern part of our viewing area to get more of that sun. As we put this into motion, you could see the rain overall has been moving eastward, and we'll continue to watch that clear. So probably within the next hour or so, I would think that we'd start to see those showers at least winding down in Fargo, though they may still be lingering with a few sprinkles for a little while before the clouds completely clear. So we've been seeing clearing skies in central North Dakota out to the west too. That sunshine that's out there is helping to heat things up and destabilize the atmosphere, and that could lead to more rain and thunderstorms this afternoon. We're going to talk about coming up here. Right now, though, it's cool up in the northeast. We're still in the 50s there. It's 61 in Fargo, 65 in Grand Forks, some upper 60s out to the west where we've had a little more sunshine. That's where the wind is out of the west. We have a gust to 26 in Jamestown. Overall, the wind's been pretty light, but it will likely pick up as we continue through the afternoon and evening. So moving ahead, we'll see that chance for more sun developing in places. Not everybody gets it, but some spots will. And then right when we start to warm things up, that's when we're looking at the potential for an isolated thunderstorm or two. You can see some of these firing up north and out to the west this afternoon, later in the afternoon and into tonight. And some of these storms could be strong enough to produce some large hail, up to 1 inch in diameter, some gusty winds too, and some localized heavy rains over areas that don't need it. That's for sure. So something to be aware of, that these could flare up to severe levels, with hail being the main threat. But of course, those high water areas, definitely want to make sure you stay vigilant about any thunderstorms that come through. So looking at conditions still unsettled, still seeing that chance for some storms. The best bet will be in the northern valley, though we can't rule it out in the south through tonight. We'll watch that wind pick up again today, and perhaps even into the day tomorrow, seeing some showers at least initially in the day. So rainfall potential through tomorrow morning. You can see most of us in blue, indicating a 1/2 inch or less. Our latest model run indicating there might be some places that get up to 1 inch, which is definitely not something we need up in that Roseau County area for sure. So hopefully that doesn't pan out and we end up staying dry in those spots. A quick look at the forecast for the rest of the day tomorrow. Cooler day. We could see an isolated shower or thunder shower flare up in the afternoon, but overall looking quieter and a little breezy. And then heading into the rest of the week, staying cool in the 60s and a bit unsettled, especially into the weekend, with temperatures that only reach the 50s for highs on Saturday and Sunday. So cooling things down to more fall-like weather here.
All right. Thank you, Lisa.